This week on Beyond Innovation.
The main bottleneck of any type of claim is linked to a visual inspection of the damage. The main question that insurance companies need to answer is, what is the damage? How much is it going to cost to fix it? We have trained an AI that has learned this visual task and that is able to automate this task so the process end-to-end is much faster.
Lifted is a platform that gives families complete transparency over what's happening when they're not there via a mobile app. It gives carers better working conditions and more information so they can do their job better. And it centralises the data collectively so we can achieve efficiency at scale to deliver more care for more people in their homes. And we're able to match them with the right carer for them. We then employ them and give them the data that they need to understand the needs of the person they're going to be looking after.
The ability to apply the same sorts of techniques that we apply to programming computers to the goal of programming not the instructions of computers, but the instructions that living cells use to do all of the things that they do on a routine basis.